Hello student, this is Gautam Sinha. Today I am going to discuss in this class about the topic biomagnification or biological magnification. This topic is from the chapter Our Environment of the class 10th in biology, of course. In the previous videos I have already dealt about the ecosystem, types of ecosystem, components of ecosystem, about the food chain, food web, energy transfer. Now I am going to explain this one. This slightly differs. And one more thing is there. Watch this video till the last continuously. Don't skip it. If you will skip this video, then definitely you will miss the concept and it would be not good for you. It would be not good for your own biological concept. So now I am going to describe about this biological magnification. What happens, children, in biological magnification? Biological magnification is the successive increase of harmful chemicals, pesticides, whatever may be, and living organism at different trophic levels. What happens in this? I am starting from the very first. We know that the pesticides are commonly being used to kill the pests in plants. Some amount of this pest is reaching to the soil surface layer. Due to the rain, due to the irrigation, that some amount of is reaching to the groundwater table, is reaching to the nearest water sources. That harmful chemicals like a pesticides also, when it reaching to the water bodies, they having some amount of concentration in them, and that is here 0.02 parts per million. ppm stands for parts per million. Student, this is the only the concentration of that harmful chemicals in water. Now next, what will happen? If this harmful chemicals would be present on that water bodies, definitely the plants, the animals, whosoever are depending over there, whosoever just passing their life, having their survival and dependent on these water bodies, definitely they will consume. Plants may be also phytoplankton, small plants like several algae. If they are using that water, then in such plants also that DDT concentration will go. Now the next one, some zooplanktons. Zooplanktons what? Small animals like a protozoans, which are surviving, which are getting their survival in these water bodies. As a result of inhaling the water, that in the breathing also they are inhaling the water, and that they by taking the water, inhaling basically the oxygen, but the oxygen is being mixed in the water. So what happens? That amount of harmful chemical is reaching to their bodies, but that is in the increasing level, not in the decreasing way. That is going to be successively increased and progressively increased in a very fast rate. I am giving you only a small example. Suppose maybe zooplankton, it would be the 5 parts per million. What the concentration of harmful chemicals? Small fishes, those who are taking as a food of these zooplanktons, maybe small fishes would take much more amount of zooplanktons, 100,000 of zooplanktons in their diet. So whatever the concentration of chemicals are present in the zooplanktons are going to be transferred into the small fishes, and further similarly these large amount of small fishes are being consumed by the large fishes, so that concentration is also reaching to there. And there you can see here how they are increasing from 5 to 240 parts per million. And those birds who are consuming these large fishes, they are having much more amount of concentration, 1600 parts per million of the harmful chemical. So there is a one conclusion that when this trophic level goes higher, this concentration of harmful chemicals in this living organism, in their body cells, in their cells, they are going to be increased so much in a so fast rate. That's why it's called magnification, biological magnification. For what? The harmful chemicals. So this is all about. The question would come, what is biological magnification, or explain biological magnification with the help of suitable examples. So my dear student, this is the whole concept about the biological magnification. Definitely it is very much vital and very much beneficial for you for your examination. So like this video, subscribe my channel and share to others so that others could take also benefits. Thank you.